Hi guys, I'm Keshav Valpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. In this session, I'm going to be discussing something very important that every CLAT aspirant must know before you start a preparation. So if you have recently started or are yet to start a preparation, please watch this video till the end because you would get the much needed clarity on how things work in an exam like this. There are a lot of misconceptions, there are a lot of wrong things that we do during the preparation and that makes our journey full of obstacles. अगर आपको ये पांचों पॉइंट पता है, your journey is going to be very swift and you will have a clear understanding as to what the exam demands and what to expect from this particular exam as well. Okay? First very important point is to understand the intensity of the exam. So when we start the CLAT preparation, most of us take it like any other exam. For example, we've given so many exams in our school. We have to understand that this is not like a school exam. School exam में क्या होता है? We have a fixed syllabus. We know where to study from. You have one or two books and you have clear idea. अगर मैंने complete कर लिया, my syllabus would be completed. That is not how it works in CLAT. CLAT में there are multiple books, multiple online sources. Different people will tell you different things and you will always get confused. That's why it's very important to stick to one mentor per subject and try to understand as to what he or she is trying to tell you and stick to that. Okay, very important. There is no fixed syllabus. There are fixed sections. On the basis of the past year papers, a lot of things would be taught to you and obviously the papers is going to be more or less the same. But we have to understand that we cannot strict that, or you could say transcribe that into a fixed syllabus, right? Second very important thing to keep in mind when you could say a lot of us talk about the sources to prepare for the exam. A lot of students would ask, sir, कौन सी book ले लें? Will this particular source be enough? For example, a lot of students ask me in class, sir, if you read your current affairs compendium, will that be okay to cover the entire syllabus? Will that be enough to cover the entire syllabus? Now, this enough word we need to forget because there is nothing that is enough. The course is not fixed, the sources are not fixed, but we at 12 Minutes to CLAT are going to tell you the most practical and the best sources. हम आपके पास 10 sources per subject pile up नहीं करेंगे. There is no point doing that. We will tell you the right and the most appropriate resource for each and every section for your CLAT exam, जिसको आप एक particular time period में cover भी कर पाओ. Third very important thing is in an exam, let's say tell 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th board के exams में you have to be consistent obviously. But कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि let's say you did not do much for 7 days, आपके board exams के बीच में there are so many leaves and all. Pre-boards we don't take very seriously, right? चल जाता है. CLAT is not like that. It's a marathon and not a sprint. So if you do not do something every single day, if you're not completely engrossed in the preparation, you won't be able to do really well with this exam because it comes with a lot of practice, it comes with a lot of preparation, some new concepts. If you're very new to CLAT, it takes time to get used to it. It takes time to get used to reading those long passages and so on. So CLAT में consistency is the most important thing. Even the most average CLAT aspirant can do really well if he or she is consistent, and you can be the best student in your class, and if you're not consistent, this is not your exam. So if you are somebody who is willing to work hard, मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि CLAT उन स्टूडेंट्स का एग्जाम नहीं है, सिर्फ उन स्टूडेंट्स का एग्जाम नहीं है, I mean जो क्लास के टॉपर्स है. Even if you are an average student but now you're willing to work hard, it is your exam because ये एग्जाम में सारे सब्जेक्ट्स ही अलग है, स्कूल का कुछ है ही नहीं, राइट? स्कूल का ऑब्वियसली थोड़ी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है बेसिक, बहुत ही बेसिक मैथ्स की या फिर बहुत ही बेसिक इंग्लिश की, बट इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली दैट. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि हम लोगों को यहाँ से अपनी प्रिपरेशन को आगे ले जाना है विद अ लॉट ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी, राइट? फोर्थ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू कीप इन माइंड इज व्हिच अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मिस आउट ऑन व्हेन वी स्टडी इन स्कूल, राइट? हम क्या करते हैं ना, जैसे दी टीचर वुड टीच अस, पूरा पहले सिलेबस खत्म होगा एंड देन वी वुड हैव आवर एग्जाम्स. इवन इफ यू हैव हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम, उसमें आधा ही सिलेबस आएगा जो क्लास में कंप्लीट हो गया था. दैट इज नॉट हाउ CLAT मॉक टेस्ट वुड वर्क, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सर पहले हम 3-4 महीने में सिलेबस खत्म कर लेते and then we will start with the mock test. No. Within 3 weeks of starting your preparation, you have to start with your mock test. Now you would ask, sir, how is it even possible? I have absolutely no idea about CLAT. मैंने इतना कम पढ़ा होगा, वे mock test में आएंगे कितने नंबर? But that's completely fine. Even if you do not score really well, you have to do a mock test every week after 3 weeks of starting the preparation. ठीक है? कम आएंगे, आपको पता चलेगा आप 2 घंटे बैठ पाते हो नहीं बैठ पाते हो. How are you able to read those passages? How much are you able to not read? See, at the end of the day, it's English reading, right? English reading करनी, most of us know how to read English. उसमें से कितना आता है, how difficult do you feel it is? All of that will only and only be considered and we'll only be able to get more understanding about our preparation if we do the mock tests, right? You can score a 20 out of 120 in the first mock, no problem there. There are people who have gotten, let's say, all in a rank 20 ऑल इंडिया रैंक 20 आया, बट उनके पहले मॉक में 15-20 नंबर ही आए थे, बट दैट्स फाइन बिकॉज दे लर्न धीरे धीरे करके। तो वो बहुत जरूरी है, तो डोंट मिस आउट ऑन द मॉक टेस्ट। प्रैक्टिसिंग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन। दीज मॉक टेस्ट आर गोइंग टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन हियर। एंड फिफ्थ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन इज दिस जर्नी इज full of highs and lows. You'll have to keep your morale very, very high. You'll have to have 1 or 2 people around you. It could be your parents, it could be your siblings, your friends, or your mentors who are always able to help you out in the time that you feel that ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. Because 100% in every CLAT aspirant journey, there come certain times where you feel, यार, am I even cut out for it? You get a good mock score, you're really happy. Next mock you get a low score, you're unhappy for 3 days. You're very upset. You don't know where to go. You don't know which direction of preparation is going. So उस particular case में you need to keep yourself emotionally very stable, and it may not look a very, you could say, important thing as of now, but जैसे जैसे आप preparation में चाहते जाओगे ना, this is the most important thing you need to have. अगर आपके पास एक emotional stability है, if you are somebody who can keep yourself calm in those situations and work that out, and then you can start doing well, CLAT is certainly your exam. So these are the 5 most important things that every CLAT aspirant must know, and you have to make sure कि आप ये पांचों चीजों को अपने अंदर इनकलकेट करोगे, इसको प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही समझोगे, या फिर अगर आपने स्टार्ट कर लिया है तो फिर आप अपनी प्रेपरेशन में इसको ऐड कर दोगे, राइट? If you want to prepare with 12 minutes to CLAT with the most affordable and the efficient CLAT coaching in India with the best results that you can imagine, we have launched a new batch called Vijay Bhava Plus and Vijay Bhava. You guys can become a part of these batches. You can visit 12minutes2clat.com or download our app from Play Store or App Store. In numbers पर आप बहुत easily contact कर सकते हो. These people will be able to guide you with respect to everything, including the discounts. For more discounts, you can use my code MALPANI, which is MALPANI, and start preparing with us right away. We have something very exciting called the Shakuntala scholarship that gives you 100% refund of your fees if you get an all-India rank under 300 in CLAT 2026. 100% फ्री में पढ़ लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. डू रियली वेल, बी मेरिटोरियस. ये स्कॉलरशिप का पॉइंट इज नॉट टू गिव यू योर मनी बैक, दैट इज लाइक यू से रिजल्ट ऑफ इट. द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज टू कीप यू इंसेंटिवाइज्ड ड्यूरिंग द एंटायर प्रिपरेशन. मैंने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ देखा है, स्टार्ट करते हैं बहुत जील के साथ, 1 महीना 2 महीना बड़ा अच्छा चलता है, फिर उसके बाद में आलस हो जाता है कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा है, राइट? तो उस चीज़ को खत्म करने के लिए वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस एंड सर्टेनली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. उसके अलावा भी हम बहुत ही ऐसी कुछ यूनिक चीज़ें करते हैं आपको कहीं पर भी नहीं मिलेगी. Something like daily practice papers, brainstorming with editorial sessions. This is something which is the most practical preparation for CLAT rather than telling you कि अरे याद कर लो, ये rote learning कर लो. No, we have to be practical. We are in the 21st century. We are in 2025, and we'll prepare like that. We'll compete like that. All the best, guys. I'll see you in my classes. If there are any doubts, mention in the comment box. I'll be very happy to take it from there and answer it for you. Keep smiling, keep working hard. No worries. This is your year, and this is your exam. All the best.